Ew, I stepped in water. And I'm wearing socks.
What'd you say?
I can't believe she killed Dad. I can't believe she killed Dad. Hey. My socks are wet now.
In front of my children? Back off. Oh.
They're so hard.
Okay.
Boring.
Oh, that was really...
You like that?
I like that.
Because it's called a yellow.
So, I have Vaseline today. Are you shy?
What flavor?
Cocoa butter.
Actually,
Overstimulation.
Firework water, actually.
Goodbye, vlog.
I exposed her.
Say hi. Oh.
Okay.
Push up, shorty. Out of the way.
Don't take pictures of me.
Too late. Hey, Emily. I'm gonna take this. Go to her grandparents' pool after this. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear mommy. Happy birthday to you.
Well, thank you.
We don't have streamers and candles and
Doesn't work then.
yeah, I know.
I thought that was like...
Thank you, Elena.
You're so welcome. I'm going on my booty. Why not balloon?
Parker.
Yeah, Parker, get him ready. Come on, Parker, go, Parker. Oh my gosh, they're adding my God. Good luck. Let's see it, Parker. Go, Parker.
Oh, nice. He's got it all oiled up now for you.
Yeah, go.
Yes!
I'm a pro.
Send it!
Monster is my Parker.
Brody, go.
He was too hard.
Already behind.
I'm gonna wait to get this right off. I've never played that game. Are people getting in the I know what's wrong.
Wow, Alex is sad. Guys.
Why is there a crowd around the pool?
Does anyone want to go a fourth time? Of course I will. I'm not going a fourth. I didn't even go a third time. I went 3 times and it's enough.
Are we going?
That sucks.
Don't let anyone move on, please. Thank you. Please.
Nope.
Because you know what? I hear that's called calling your name.
Elena. She cute, man.
Yeah, especially because I was.
No, get away. It was so zoomed in. Hi, Lexi.
So me and Parker were talking about Friday night. Oh, that's a big old rock.
That'd be a great place. One of your flowy little.
There you go. Kylie. Kylie. Kylie! You walked into that, literally. Hello,
You know, I have a media disagreement where I can be harmful. Bro, you didn't need to write that out.
Sarah, you're included, don't worry. you have anything to say to Papa? Kip, say something.
Happy birthday.
Wow, that's very heartfelt. Wow.
I gotta think on what I want to say.
Okay.
We aren't fighting.
Stop.
You know how fun it was to play kickball?
That was very fun. Do you have anything to say? Very important. Do you have anything
Is it for Papa?
Maybe.
Hmm.
It can be. I'll interview everybody now. Hold on.
That didn't look like the cheese roll.
I don't look like, if I say it didn't look too great.
Guys,
I know the boy.
this is my pumpkin so far. This is what I am creating. Please focus. Okay, well, it's cool.
Yeah, it is.
Here's breaking. There we go. What in the world? Oh my God, that sounded horrible. Get in the butt.
Yes, I am.
We're trying to score.
Everybody should have 20. Everybody should have 20.
Come on, Lexi. You're kind of in it. Oh.
Okay, what did you say?
Dexter.
Park entrance.
Dexter. Look.
Did you see there's an old place that
Get up. Get up. Well, I guess I'll just be down there. All alone. With no kids. Just me.
No.
Do you have anything to say?
Wow.
Mother. This is Leah. This is Brett's sister. And this is Kitty. Nobody's sibling that is here besides. Hey, shout out to Ethan.
Yeah, I don't like it though.
Ethan's my friend, but he's not here. Sarah, 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 I believe in you to figure this out. Thanks.
If you get double tapped, lay down. You go.
What an interesting
Did you get that on video?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. Then you learn, oh well.
But I do want effort though.
Yeah.
Cute.
Yeah.
I can. Hello, Ryder. Aww.
Look how happy I am. Look at the mountains. They're right beside us.
Camden.
Yeah, we should start going earlier to the drip. That'll be more fun. Guys, we need to hang out like a lot more. We've been hanging out a lot, but like more.
You want me to record, Taylor?
Oh, that's a great angle, Taylor.
Hey.
Everybody, let's play freeze tag outside. No. I think
Mama wants to play parkour.
I don't want to play parkour.
Yeah! We're on the other end. Oh, we're already fighting. Come on, come on. Pirates, pay attention.
Go, Morgan, go! Yes! Yeah!
Woo!
Nice kick.
Were you filming?
Yep.
One log is burning, that's all it is. You win. You know what you should do? You should film the stuffed animals and then post that. That's it.
Okay, that's a great idea. No, I should just... Taylor. Amazing.
Wow.
Glorious. Where am I at? There you are, Emma. Really good.
And vegetables. And salad.
Say hello, Camden.
I'm in pain.
Camden hurt his neck. Poor Camden. We're all here for you.
Who's all?
Just me.
We're just living in it. Parker.
Yeah.
It does feel better out here than it did in the bus.
Yeah, it does. It was so hot.
And it is hard.
Which one? Oh, it is?
But there's just something.
Is this where you like go under the bridge and it's like the city? I think it is.
Buddy's right there. Buddy's right there. Selfie booth.
Yo! Okay, stop.
You did so bad.
25.
It did not.
You need it.
We literally ripped it.
Okay,
It's so good.
I'm broke.
How are you feeling about
I'm
Molly.
feeling super excited because Cowan is my actual favorite place on earth.
Are you excited?
This is my first time at Cowan. I'm pretty excited.
Yes. Brody, do you have any feelings?
I'm very stoked.
Landon, do you have any feelings about...
My feelings are that it is too late, too bright.
Are you excited?
I'm really excited.
Brenna?
Oh my... Jeez.
Are you excited?
Let me have my
I'm excited
thoughts.
for you to turn out.
My opinion on right now.
Don't be sus. Don't be sus.
Sorry. Started to stir around.
You okay now?
Yes! Actually, yes! Okay. Okay, here we go, There. Vlog part 2. Alina has fallen. This took the turn for the worst. Comment the one. Is she breathing? Is she breathing? Alina, why are you bad? We're still together.
I was trying to teach Adeline how to roller skate and it wasn't working.
Oh,
Yeah,
she lost. She didn't win.
You didn't have to point that out.
That just looks sad. Whatever. I've been
Look down, look up.
That's right.
They're like, okay.
What?
Yo, they ruin everything. The boys ruin everything. What's not? Actually, it tastes like great dog.
Okay, guys, it's down to 2 people. Their names are Isabella and Easton. Easton is the one in the orange hair. Got this?
Easton won.
And Easton won. He won.
Wow. This is glorious. Okay.
It goes all the way down, and a bunch of water gates to bring
Who got that out?
Hey, there's my mom and Caleb's mom.
That's Phil's mom?
Yeah.
They look alike.
Yeah, but...
Yeah.
Look at you, and then the trees. Yeah, it's probably.
I get it. Close and let me see.
I don't know. There's a
Imagine if you just imagine in another timeline like we're in a different high school, man, it would be so bad.
So what do we do with these?
I don't even like
What do we do with
We're here.
I'll grab it. Okay.
Where did she go? Hello, Elena.
Sam, come on, don't slow down.
Boise, Idaho.
Okay, this is what I think about Ohio State. There was a star that said the Ohio State Bank on it. I stomped on it.
Oh, I see.
Oh, what a play!
Attaboy.
That's playing Electro Giant. Fisherman's going.
Go. 2, 1. Don't pause this thing.
Go, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Go. Wait, no, I jumped on accident. Hold on. No! Don't do this! No! Why did you do that?
Bye.
What? Yeah. No.
Can I see an example of what was written and then decide?
Wait, is it on when the red dot beeps? Yeah. Okay, look at this.
She's making
look.
lunch.
So we got the lettuce, the cheese, and the ham, and the bread, and look, mayonnaise. Hey, look. Ready?
Look at me.
Ready
Look
for
at
this?
me.
Slow motion. Oh. Oh. You gotta bite it now. Eat it. I think you did. Hi, besties. I look like an Oompa Loompa, but it's okay. Hi, Taylor. Oh, man, I kind of suck at this. Yeah, I'm lost. And
Oh, there she is.
oh, never mind. Turn it off. No. I'm not gonna see that. Oh, wait there. It's okay. We were supporting you.
This is my mugshot?
Come here. Yeah. Turn right. There you go. You're not supposed to smile in your mugshots, Elena. Be dead. Yeah. Got it. Look at them on the roof up there.
I think they need more people. I'll go up there. I saw what they're doing. I'm a muscly woman.